Hello everybody, this is Bram Veenhuizen speaking to you all, and I have the pleasure to introduce you to the module Innovations in Powertrains, which I think is very interesting for you. This module you can follow in the coming semester, and I will be your teacher together with some other teachers as well. And we will be focusing on some approaches how to deal with environmental, socio-economical and health issues of modern day traffic. Of course, you will be interested in what kind of jobs you could be doing when you are finished with your studies after the master. The companies we have contact with is in the next slide. As you can see here, you have a small list of some companies, and there are many more actually, but these are important ones where we have sent students to. So for instance, the company of Altran, which is a French company, also represented here in the Netherlands and in other Western European countries. We have Bosch Transmission Technology, which is a company some 100 kilometers from here. We have B-Style, manufacturing buses, small buses. We have, of course, DAF Trucks. It's a major truck manufacturer, also not far from here. Company ADAC, company Hyster-Yale, who is making forklift trucks for in harbors, so very big machines. And we are co-developing with them fuel cell hybrid drivetrains for these very big forklifts they produce. Mitsubishi Turbocharger. It's a company also not far from here, who are manufacturing turbochargers in large numbers. Quite a few of the students who have done the master are working there now. We are supplying also students to PON, Punch Powertrain, Sensata, VDL Group, Viro Engineering and Ford Research and Development. So what you see is a very big list of companies, and as said, there are many more. The module is built up of two terms. Term one is on advanced powertrains. We will be treating the Toyota Prius hybrid driveline, which is still sold today, as you probably know, but we will also be treating combustion engines and some general principles there. IPT Term 2, Innovations in Powertrains Term 2, is again on advanced powertrains, but now we treat energy management strategies in electric and hybrid and fuel cell drivetrains, and we will continue the lectures on internal combustion engines with a special focus on liquid natural gas, I should say. So different fuel types, dual fuel techniques. We will look at the environmental impact of these dual fuel techniques, and we will make a well-to-wheel analysis. This slide is maybe the most interesting for you. It illustrates the technologies that we will be treating. On the left side you can see a schematic representation of the Toyota Prius drivetrain. And I can imagine that you will not understand what this picture really means. But I'm quite sure that when you have followed the lectures, you will not only understand them, but also be able to fully analyze this drivetrain. And on the right side, you see the Carnot cycle, which is a thermodynamic representation of the working of an internal combustion engine. And probably you also don't know yet what this Carnot cycle means, but I'm quite sure in the end of our module you will be fully capable of reproducing this cycle also in a simulation environment. This slide shows you some project examples. So you will be working on projects during the module, powertrain related projects, of course. On the top right you see the modeling of a control of a heavy duty diesel injection system, and on the bottom left you see a development that we've been working on a trolley battery bus, which is a combination of overhead wires and batteries for a drivetrain of a trolley bus. So the activities that we do together with you students is, for instance, problem analysis, literature study, modeling, simulation, and preparing and performing of tests, analyze the results, that is your work, validate the results, and do some reporting and, of course, communication. So this wraps up the presentation I wanted to give to you. The presentation gives you a little insight in what you can expect during this module, I think and I hope that you are very interested in our module, and I wish you good luck on your decision which model you will follow in the coming semester. See you all next September. Bye.